The hotel phone rang. Hello? I answered. It was the front desk, a woman's voice, tense but calm. Sir, you need to walk out of your room immediately. Don't ask questions. Just go. I froze. What's happening? I asked. She hesitated. There's someone in your room with you. The line went dead. I stared around. Nothing under the bed. Nothing in the bathroom. Then I saw the closet, barely open. Just a crack. And through that crack, I saw a face. No movement. Just eyes staring at me through the sliver.